Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Patty Ann Ford, and I'm going to talk to you today about micro joys and health. So a lot of times in psychology, in counseling, sometimes we'll say, oh, that's a micro trauma. But I want to shift the conversation and say, what would be a micro joy? What would be something I've seen in print, people using the word glimmer, something that just makes you feel like, oh, that feels so good. Instead of a trigger, a glimmer. So what would be a micro joy that you could intentionally create in your health? I'll start. It could be eating breakfast in the sunlight and really allowing yourself to, one, sit down and nourish yourself. So you have to slow down. There's so much you could do. So much conversation, so many pillars of health that you could do about the meal prep that you did, the meal acquisition that you had to do, and the time that you took to take out of a crazy busy life to sit down and eat. But then if you sit outside in the sunlight, there is something that happens energetically to your nervous system when it feels the sun rays. And there is something that happens where you're outside and you're connecting to the earth, and there's an energy shift where your vagus nerve gets to reset. Your vagus nerve says, oh, we're safe. So if you go for a walk and you notice birds are singing, birds will sing when they feel safe. They won't sing when there's a threat or harm. And so if we're feeling threatened or harmed, going outside, and you could do a regulated breathing pattern or something to kind of help slow the system down. But also sitting in the sunlight still regulates to your trauma brain, your gut brain, that I'm okay. I can sit still and be okay here. Warmth is very healing. The body really does well when it's in a warm environment. It's not trying to preserve energy. So go outside, eat breakfast, and sit in the sunlight and see what that does in terms of resetting or recalibrating your nervous system response. If you do and you enjoy it, write in the comments, or if you like these videos, just following along.